Welcome! In this video, we will walk you through the steps to create a vehicle in DataBridge. Open the DataBridge software and select Data Setup in the top left corner. Under the Data Setup tab, select Vehicle. Fill in the information fields. Hauler and name are required fields. On the bottom right side of the screen, under Material, you can select presets related to the transaction. This step is optional. All selected presets will populate in the Presets box. Lastly, save your information by selecting the Save icon on the left side of the page, underneath the fields. Your vehicle is successfully saved.